Hello and welcome back to the Gluten-Free Guru channel. My name is Tanya and today we will be making Mojo steak. So for this recipe, you will need about a pound of skirt steak. We bought one that we cut in two and we trimmed the fat off it. And for the marinade, you will want orange juice, lime juice, gluten-free soy sauce, crushed red peppers, oregano, cumin, pepper, and garlic. So first to get started, like I said, clean up your steak and we are going to season it front and back with all the dry ingredients except for the red pepper flakes. Okay, now flip and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, next we are going to add the wet ingredients, including the garlic and red pepper flakes. Okay, so add about 1/4 cup of orange juice. A 1.5 tablespoons of the gluten-free soy sauce. 1.5. And 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And finally, crush in 2 garlic cloves. Once you have your ingredients added, slosh it around to mix. And then add in your steak. Try and get all the air out. Ziplock it shut. And smooth. Once you feel like you have all the nooks and crannies, it can go into the fridge. You want to marinate it for at least 2 hours. So it's been 3 hours since we first marinated our meat. So first thing we're going to do now that we're back is put our pan to high. You want to make sure that the pan is at its hottest temperature before putting the meat into the pan. So while that's heating up, I'm going to take out our marinated steaks and we are going to dab it dry so that way it gets a nice sear on it when you put it into the hot pan. Make sure it's very dry. Okay, so by now your pan should be at the hottest temperature. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Our brand already has that mixed in. And then add in your meat quickly so that way it doesn't burn everything. So I have to do it one at a time. After about a minute or two, check underneath to make sure it's brown, and then flip. It's good to check the internal temperature to know when it's done. That way it stays as juicy as possible. You want an internal temperature of 130. So I'm going to check my steak now. So we're just about there. I'd say it's ready to come off, unless you want yours a little more well done. Okay, be sure to slice against the grain, and at this point would be a good time to add any extra salt if you like. All right, bon appetit, everyone. a very good marinade. Thank you for watching the Gluten-Free Guru channel. I hope you enjoyed this recipe on how to make mojo steak. If you liked it and want to see more, please like and subscribe. Thank you.